Do you struggle to get your kids to go to sleep, or even worse, to wake up in the morning, or even focus when you need them to focus, like at homework time? Well, today we're going to talk about the newest little diffuser that has hit our house by a storm and we all have fallen in love with, and some of the diffuser blends that you can put into here, into the diffuser, to help your kids to go to sleep, wake up, and to focus. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I help people like you to start taking steps to a toxic-free lifestyle by ditching and switching harsh chemical-laden products that we use every single day with all natural alternatives. I want to introduce to you today to Feather. Isn't he the cutest little guy you've ever seen? And he's a diffuser, which is even better. So I had to get him. My stepdaughter is obsessed with owls. Her whole room is decorated in owls. And I thought, what a perfect addition to her room. But now I'm needing to get another one because my son has actually fallen in love with him as well, and my other stepdaughter. So I think we're going to be having to get some more of Feather in this house. So I wanted to quickly talk about why Feather is so special. Besides the fact he is stinking cute, I mean, look at this little guy. And even his little tail at the back, he's got this sweet little tail, which I think is just pretty darn cute. And what I love about him, he's super easy for kids to use. He has 3 different diffusing settings, so you can, I don't know if you can see in the video, but right now it's on the highest setting, which will last 5 hours. And then all you have to do is just double tap or tap 2 more times to get it onto intermittent, which is 8 hours, or low input, which is 8 hours, or intermittent. So you hit it 3 times and you get it to intermittent, which is 1 minute on, 1 minute off, and it lasts about 10 hours. Another cool feature about Feather is that he comes with 10 different nightlight settings. And I love that the nightlight can be turned on without the diffuser. So even after when the diffuser is done running, the light will still stay on for your child, which is fantastic. And all you have to do is hit his little middle left foot, different times to go through the lighting. I don't know if you can see in the video, but there it is. It's like a pink, and then you just hit, and that's, I believe, is off, and then it's on, and it will just scroll through the different colors of his settings. Another amazing thing, which is a new thing for Young Living, is that there is a sound machine in it. I know as a mom, when my son was little, I used to have a sound machine and it drove everybody else nuts whenever we go visit. But I tell you, that sound machine saved my sanity because he would sleep with it. And there's 5 different settings. There's music, there's chirping, there's waves, there's rain, and it's just so soothing. And it's just a simple little click of the button. So the kids are easy. They just have the music button and then they have the volume button. So I love that setting about Feather. So Feather is super easy to use. All you have to do is first is plug him in. It comes with the plug adapter. You just plug it in, and then you just lift up his top part of his body, and there is a little, it's like a little fill line. It tells you the maximum amount of water to put in, and all you would have to do is put it in. Now, when you explore the inside of the diffuser, that is the little diffusing plate. So every once in a while, you will have to clean it, and all you have to do is just take some alcohol and put it on a swab and just gently rub it down, and that's all you need to do, and it should clean the diffuser. So all you need to do is take your water and add it to your diffuser to that fill line. And then you're gonna have to decide on what blend you're gonna put in. So like I said earlier, there are so many blends that you can put for your child. So you can help them to sleep or wake up or to focus. You can help to, if their room is stinky, you can help with that. If they're not feeling well and they need it for immunity, you can help them you know, to study. There's so many different diffuser blends. If they're worried about something or if they're stressed out for going back to school, there's some great blends that can help with their emotional levels and to help contain that as well. So today we're gonna I'm gonna just quickly talk about a couple of the recipes. The first one that I love, it's one of my favorite combinations, and it is like a wake me up. So it's like in the morning. I don't know about you if your children are hard to wake up. My son's an early riser, but my stepdaughters are not. So you can diffuse this to help wake them up, or as we get ready for back to school time, you can diffuse this in the morning as they're getting ready to help invigorate them and energize them. So my favorite combination for to get awake is a combination of a citrus oil and a mint, especially peppermint. I love peppermint. It's one of my favorite essential oils. And so today I would just do the citrus fresh and the peppermint. And what I would do is 8 drops of the citrus fresh, excuse me. Citrus fresh is a blend of like lemon and orange and tangerine, and it's divine. So I would put 8 drops of that, and then the 2 drops of the peppermint. The peppermint comes in the premium starter kit here in Canada. So I would just do 2 drops of that, excuse me. And then all you have to do is take the top part of his body, put him back on, and then to get him on, you just simply tap his middle right foot, his toe, once to get it on the full. Now, other blends that you can do is that if you're trying to get them to sleep at night, so I call this one Dreamland Express, you would do, I have my notes here just so I don't forget, is you would do 4 drops of the lavender, and the lavender actually comes with feather. So 5 mils of lavender actually comes with him, which is pretty nice. You start diffusing right away in your child's bedroom. Even if you don't have any essential oils on hand, you can start right away to get them to sleep. So you would do 4 drops of lavender, you would do 2 drops of cedarwood, you would do 2 drops of geranium, and 2 drops of vetiver. Now vetiver is a thick oil, so either what you can do is roll it in your hands to get it to warm up, or what you can do is you can get like a little pipette or a dropper, and you can just do it that way. I always have a pipette around. I just find it easier. I just take the lid right off and then do that. And it's a really warming, soothing to me oil that helps to get me to sleep. So that's a great blend to get them to sleep. If you have a preteen or a teen boy, like what we do in our house, things are interesting. So he's starting to smell a little bit more. So it's, you know, stinky gym bags and whatnot and stinky shoes. So a stinky type of blend is fantastic for this. And for this one, what I would do is I would do, and I'm just gonna read my notes so I don't forget, is 2 drops of tea tree. I would do 5 drops of orange, 2 drops of neroli, which is one of my favorite oils, and 1 drop of purification. This one's a really pretty blend. I love it, and it also comes in the premium starter kit. So you would diffuse that in their bedroom to help to eliminate any smells. So in every video of Journey to Wellness with Stacy, I like to equip you with a free resource. Now today, if you click on the big green button, the teal button that is below this video, you will have access to a whackload of other recipes that you can use for children. And it'll be recipes, like I said, to help them focus, it would have these recipes as well, plus a few other ones. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you can either click in the description to get to my blog, or you can go to Journey to Wellness with Stacy, and there's no E in Stacy.com, and go to the blog, and then you can access it that way as well. So question of the week: what support does your child need? Does he need or she need to help to go to sleep, or to wake up, or to focus? I would love to hear what support your child needs, and I'll send you a little note of what blends would help with your child. So did you get some value today, or know somebody that would get some value from this video? If you have, or know somebody that would, I would love it if you shared this video with them. So until next time, in the next episode of Journey to Wellness with Stacy, I hope you have a wonderful day.